The TaskKeeper is an organizational tool designed to minimize tab clutter. An iframe on the left will be populated by websites that do not restrict being embedded. When properly set up, Google Classroom classes may be accessed. The right-hand side of the web page contains 5 potential categories, all of which are fully customizable. To add a new link, hover over the red floating pencil and click the blue button. Complete the modal form and click Save. You'll notice that there's a success handler that opens. Click OK, and then Close. You'll notice that the navigation is populated with the new information. You may have to click on the navigation tabs to properly go to the correct tab. To edit a link or item, return to the red floating pencil, click on the red minus button, and select the category. Scroll to the item that you wish to rename, click Edit. You'll notice that the modal populates a new form where you can now change the name. You can also change the link or the location. You'll get a success handler. This information is still editable, and you, of course, can change it again. Hopefully in the background you're able to see the changes. If it's nested inside of one of the other navigation tabs, you may not be able to see it. Click Go Back to make an edit to a different item, or click Close. To delete an item, click on the red button, select the category, and then click Delete. You can check on your links to see whether or not the item was deleted. In this case, it was the JS timeline. I can delete this materialize. That's the one I probably should have deleted. I will go to my to-do list. Down here where it says materialize, I'll click delete, and you'll notice that it will, hopefully, there it goes. It's deleted. To change the names of the categories, so we're talking about these items right here, we're going to click on the lavender folder. We can now enter the new names. This is set up similar to how you see the tabs over here on the right-hand side. So I'll change this to, instead of to do, I'll say daily tasks. And these are things I want to open up daily when I start my day. I click Save. You're going to notice, though, I have to refresh. So I'll click Refresh. And hopefully, there it goes. It repopulates and it says Daily Tasks. The green button is simply just information about what is used and, of course, permissions. You can close that. Hopefully, this does make your life a little bit easier with regards to staying organized and making sure that you have access to the links that you frequently use. You will notice though that some links will not be embedded into this iframe. Okay, so let me give you an example. Here are the pay dates, and it will not populate because this is a PDF, but what I can do is I can click Control on my keyboard and then click on the link, and it will open. Likewise, you may notice that some links, while they may embed, you will not have full edit abilities. So you'll have to open these in new tabs. Okay, so that's just a little bit about what does show and what does not show within these iframes. And again, like right here is ASOP. You're going to notice that will not load because of the permissions that that website has. So you press Control and click on the link, and it will open up in a new tab. The goal, of course, is to not have so many tabs open, and of course to be able to work within this particular web page, making your life a little bit easier and also keeping your links much more organized.